Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 14 practical geometry. In practical geometry for a construction we needed instruments are scale, pencil, compass. So first question, first exercise 14.1 exercise first question is draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Draw a circle. How much radius take? 3.2 centimeter radius take in your compass. Scale and compass take. Using scale and compass. How much centimeter? 0 to 3.2 means here see between 3 and 4 how many small lines are there? 10 divisions are there. Each one first small line represent 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, fourth line represent 3.4, fifth somewhat long line represent 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 3.10 we not read in that place 4 is marked. Each case like that. 0 to 1 also how many divisions are there? 10 divisions are there. First small line represent 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.10 not tell instead of that place 1. Next 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 means this big line somewhat big line represent 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.10 we not telling instead of that place 2 like this. Here they asking 3.2. So from 0 to 3.3 where it between 3 and 4 a second small line represent like this 3.2. Take that measurement using that radius simply draw a circle. So we keep the compass sharpened on the one particular place. Then using a compass top part take and draw a 3.2 centimeter circle we can draw. That where we keep the sharp end that place so we can draw like this 3.2 centimeter circle. Where we keep the sharp end of the compass that point represent as the center of the circle. Any point alphabet you can give. I give mark that sharp end keeping point, mark it as O. So O2 here how many radius we can draw in a one circle? Infinite number of radius. What about radius? Actually circle is constructed with infinite number of points. Infinite number of points joining them we get a circle. So any point center to any point on a circle joined by a line segment we call it as a radius. So we can mark anywhere you can mark a point A and O to A joining we get a radius. OA represent as a radius. So OA value how much we take a radius? 3.2 centimeter radius we take and construct a circle. This is the meaning of this first question. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Next second question. Next also draw a circle of radius. See, draw a circle in this question they given us draw a circle draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter with the same center O. Draw two circles of radius 4 centimeter and 2.5. Here again they saying again one more time 3.2 centimeter circle draw where you keep a center as OA. Using that same center another two more circle draw. What are the measurement? 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter measure. Take it another two circle draw with the same center. O as center and drawing. That is the question. So first we start with 3.2. Again in second question scale take out 0.3.2 means between 3 and 4. Second line represent as 3.2. Measurement take here keep their center 3.2 centimeter radius, one small circle we can draw. 3.2 centimeter circle draw. Here circle drawing like this. 3.2 centimeter circle where we keep our sharp end of the compass. That place you can mark a center OM. Then radius is how much? Any point you can mark. O2, any point on a circle, we call it as a radius. I mark an alphabet A. OA distance is how much? 3.2 centimeter. Using same center, see, OA is the radius. Here O2A distance is how much? 3.2. Using same center O, another how much they asking? 4 centimeter circle. 4 centimeter take in your scale and compass. For using O as center, draw 4 centimeter. See, 0 to 4 centimeter take. 0 to 4 measurement. Then same center O as center. Keep a sharp end on compass on the O. O keep a 4 centimeter circle draw like this. 4 centimeter circle we can draw. Same center using 4 centimeter circular drawing like this. 4 centimeter circle draw. Here joined 4 centimeter. See, now we get another second circle. Center is same center only O. Then O2 there you can give any alphabet B. So O2B represent, O2B distance represent how much? O2B radius, that is a second circle radius. How much we take and construct that? 4 centimeter take and construct that second circle. Next circle is 2.5 centimeter and also 2.5 centimeter radius take. One more circle draw where in same OA center and take. So again scale take 0 to 2.5 means between 2 and 3. See, between 2 and 3, fifth line, 10 lines are there. Fifth line represent 2.5. Then same center where keep sharp end on the compass on OA. 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter radius circle draw. 2.5 centimeter. Same process. 2.5 centimeter take and 2.5 centimeter circle drawing. So 0 keep a 2.5 centimeter like this. In this way circle we want to draw. Okay, this circle completed. There 2.5 centimeter. A 2.5 centimeter circle. So this measurement radius is how much? From center to any point on that third circle you can give any alphabet. I mark it as that alphabet as C. That alphabet as C. OC distance is how much? O2C distance is 2.5 centimeter. See, first radius OA distance 3.2. Second circle OB distance 4 centimeter. Third circle OC distance 2.5. This is the meaning of the question. Using that same center draw the circle. Then next question, draw any circle. For third question they given that draw any circle and mark the point A is on the circle. Point A, mark it on the circle. B is marking interior of the circle. Interior means inside of the circle. And point C is marking on the exterior of the circle. Exterior means outside of the circle. Any radius you can choose. Here radius not mentioned. Your choice, 3 or 4 or 5 or any centimeter radius measurement to take draw a circle. So I going to take 4 centimeter. 0 to 0 to 4 centimeter take 0 to 4 centimeter. Using that measurement, draw keep a compass sharpened and draw a 4 centimeter circle. Using that, draw a circle like this. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. Then where we keep the circle compass sharpened, there you can give a center as any point O or P or any alphabet you can mark. And a radius. First what they asking, mark A is on the circle. So A point anywhere you can mark a point on the circle. On the circle means here circle circumference part, mark it. Mark as A point. Then next what they saying, in that circle B is in the interior of the circle. B point, mark it on the interior. Interior means inside. Anywhere you can mark, but it is in the inside of the circle. And C is the exterior of the circle. Anywhere, this left side or right side or anywhere you can mark a C point, but outside of the circle, exterior of the circle. In this way, that circle construction. I hope you can understand this third question. Next, fourth question, they says that let AB be the center of two circles. Here also measurement not given. We can draw any two circle. And a center we mark an alphabet as a first circle center A, second circle center B. Of two circle of equal radii. Suppose first circle 4 centimeter you take, means second circle also how much centimeter only take a 4. Suppose you take a first circle 3 centimeter, means second circle also 3 centimeter. That only they say equal radius. Equal radius means equal radius only you take and draw the circle. Then the looking time that two circle are intersecting. That intersecting point mark an alphabet as a C and D. Two circle where they are intersecting point mark alphabet as a C and D. And check it whether AB and CD are a right angle or a not. Right angle means 90 degree or not. So first, I start with any centimeter. I just decided to take a 4 cm. So 0 to 4 centimeter measurement take in this scale. Using that 4 centimeter measurement, first circle draw. 4 centimeter circle in this way. Keep a compass on the compass sharpened and draw a 4 centimeter circle. 4 centimeter circle draw. Then same way that intersect center part we can give which alphabet they mentioned A and B as the center of the circle. So that center of the first circle mark it as A. Using same measurement, keep a B as another same B and one more circle draw. Same measurement beside of the first circle, taking and drawing. Then in this way, this part drawing where they keep the sharpened, there we can keep the sharpened. Then another second circle also draw. Then both circle in their center we mark an alphabet as a second circle center. What they saying, B mark it on the second circle center. Then checking they are intersecting at 2 points. Where here these two circle intersecting point, these two are the intersecting point. There you can mark an alphabet as a C and D. Joining center to center A and B, A to B distance joining, and C to D distance joining, and check it they make how much a right angle. Yes, right angle here, see how much degree. L shape represent right. This side also L shape right angle. Here also right angle. Here also in this way L shape represent as a right. That's why we can say yes, AB and AB line and CD line make a right angle, right angles. Okay, in this way this fourth question construction. Then next fifth next one is next exercise at 14.2. They are not a circular line segment construction. See, Question they saying that draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. Ruler means scale. Scale use and just draw a line segment. What about a line segment? It have two end point. Line means a line have no end point. Line can be extended on the both side. Line segment means it have two end points. So we how much centimeter take? 7.3 centimeter. See in question they say 7. So using scale 0 to 7.3. 7.3 where between 7 and 8. Third line, here see third line represent as 7.3. There to mark it. Then line segment means it have two end points. Any alphabet you can give up. Why? Because in this question alphabet are not mentioned. P, Q or A, B or C, D or anyone. I mark it as A and B. How much centimeter? 7.3 centimeter. Question saying using ruler. Ruler means scale. Scale using and draw a 7.3 centimeter line segment. This is the answer. The next second question. Construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compass. Here what they saying not simply ruler taking and 5.6 centimeter. Construct. The word see the word is construct. We want to construct a line segment of measurement. How much? 5.6 centimeter. What are the instruments we want to use? A ruler and a compass use and construct a line segment. Construction asking time how to draw means first scale using simply draw a line. Line means both side long line. Arrow mark is there. We can give line as L. Line name as L. Simply draw a line. Line means both side we can extend up to there enough. So the arrow mark keep this one we call it as a line and mark it as L. Next mark a point somewhat back side of this line L. Mark a point A like this way. Mark a point A. Next then how much centimeter we need? 5.6. Using scale and compass. From scale measure 0 to 5.6 like this. 0 to 5.6. Between 5 and 6. Sixth line represent as 5.6. See from 0 to 5.6 means like this. Between 5 and 6. Here sixth line represent as a 5.6 measurement. Then construction how to do? Keep A as center. Sharp end of the compass. Keep it on the A point. A point where we mark on the line. There you keep the sharp end of the compass and a 5.6 centimeter arc draw on that line segment. See? Sharp end of the compass, keep it on A point where we mark A point, mark it on the line L. There you keep the sharp end of the compass and a pencil side. Using pencil side 5.6 centimeter arc where we draw on the line L. Where they are cutting that mark, that point you can give mark it as another alphabet B. So AB distance represent as 5.6 centimeter. This is the construction of 5.6 centimeter. Using A, keep A as center, 5.6 measurement, arc drawing, arc intersect the line L, that intersecting point mark an alphabet, another name B. This AB distance represent as how much? 5.6. Actually not here to here. That one we didn't measure that. We don't know how much. They are asking construction. So I hope you can understand this part. Next, third question. In third question, they says that construct there also line segment AB. Length is given as 7.8 centimeter. From this, cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeter. Measure BC. There also the word is construction, not simply drawing a scale and pencil. Using compass, construct 7.8 and mark an alphabet as AB. How to construction doing? First we take out the scale. without measurement, just simply draw a line, straight line, simply draw. Both side arrow mark. For identification, mark and small alphabet as a line represent as a small letter L, small letter M, small letter N. Small letters are used for line marking. For giving name for line, we can give a small letter. So I give a L as a this line. We don't know how much. This measurement need not one, just we draw. Construction. Next what they saying? 7 points. So first procedure is mark a point A like this, somewhat back side of the line L, mark a point A. Then how much centimeter take? 7.8 centimeter take. So use scale and compass 0 to 7.8. 7.8 where it between 7 and 8. 8th point, 8th small line represent as 7.8 like this. Between 0 to 8 tape, but 7 to 8, 8th line represent as 7.8. Then that measurement take, where we keep our compass, keep a compass sharpened on A, and 7.8 centimeter arc draw on that line. Arc draw on that L line. See, we draw that 7.8 measurement centimeter line. We mark it on the line L. There you can give an alphabet as A, B. So A to B distance is how much? 7.8. That part, first part completed. Line draw a line segment of length 7.8. So that part. Next what they saying, cut off. In which way? Another line segment draw. In which way? AC of length is 4.7 centimeter. Again scale and compass take 0 to 4.7 centimeter measurement take. 7 where it is between 4 and 5, 7th line represent as 4.7. In this way 0 to 4.7 measurement take. AC we want, that's why C point we don't know, but A point we know. Keep a sharp end of compass on A and 4.7 centimeter arc draw. That arc cut our line L, cutting point mark an alphabet as CM. So AC distance is how much? 4.7. What about B to C? This measurement B to C distance how much will coming? Measuring time it will coming as how much? C 3.1 centimeter. B to C distance represent as 3. Yes, correctly. See, 4.7 is added with 3.1. How much will coming? 7.8 centimeter. Our total A to B distance also 7.8 only centimeter. So correct exact answer we got. A to C distance 4.7 and B to C distance 3.1. 4.7 plus 3.1 become how much? 7.8. Our construction is correct only. I hope you can understand how to construct a line segment without a ruler, using direct here drawing a construction, how to drawing in this way, drawing draw the line segment and how to measuring. I hope you can understand this part. Next exercise we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.